Give me that shit.
The worst trick.
Go! Oh my goodness. Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, because usage time, we got dust on the camera.
Because once it fell down and here on the side it opened. So we're gonna open this phone to remove the dust. Also here on the back, there. We hope it works.
Wow, guys!
Okay, so
amazing!
Check this out. And a normal phone, also here scratched by the way. So yeah, you know our
Who cares,
phone.
man? If we got this amazing thing. Oh my god, magnificent! Now we do a super professional tutorial.
First you pull out
we
the
don't do that. Go there.
SIM card that we turn professionally off our phone. And we use this little thing and open our phone. Okay, fine. I think this isn't small enough.
Then just put a toilet on your head.
Don't even know which direction.
Are you stupid?
Yeah, it isn't moving, man.
Clockwise, you screw it in. Reverse clockwise, you screw it out.
Okay.
Clockwise, you go in. The other clockwise, go out.
Kannst du bitte das scheiß Handy festhalten, danke?
But has two noobs open the phone. It's so big that it doesn't go in. Yeah, because we don't have the right screwdriver.
Okay, so that's fine. Apparently, our screwdriver, whatever it's called, Schraubenzieher.
It's so big that it doesn't go in.
We're gonna use this chance to buy new
Screwdriver.
Where are we going?
We're buying. You still remember?
Yes.
We wanted to do a move, but actually we just broke this glass.
Well, as our project with the phone didn't work, we are using this chance to buy new. Say it.
Huh?
Say it.
What?
A new.
Screwdriver.
Exactly.
Screwdriver.
And we have here our new spinner, man.
That's so dope.
Yeah, so dope, man, nigga. So actually, as you guys like the first vlog, we're gonna start on with trying new things out. Like this, for example. That first of all, oh god. For the face.
Good morning, motherfucker.
First of all, that we show you guys some cool stuff like this. It's Richard, but hey.
We live in an era of retards.
Ah, that's why you are here. Hey guys, so as you can see, we're on the way to how is it called?
Plaza Norte 2.
Yeah, but Leroy and Merlin, that's it. I hope they have this kind of glass and the kind of screwdriver.
Screwdriver.
What
The best name ever.
Yes.
I'm gonna put a tattoo on my face. Screwdriver.
We finally arrived here in Plaza Norte 2. You're going the wrong way, by the way.
What?
Leroy Merlin is over.
What the fuck? Why did we park here?
I don't know, you parked here. Okay, let's park.
Why didn't you tell me?
Leroy and Merlin.
this
What?
thing where no one is behind you. Don't need to struggle with going out to the parking.
Look, the camera is fucking taking a video from the camera. It's just great. Where's the giant building with
Conforama?
Leroy Merlin?
Where? Conforama.
Are you fucking blind? It's there.
Where?
Look, there. There.
Oh, okay.
Fucking.
It was behind the trees, bro.
Yeah, I told you behind the trees.
Thanks for the navigation. Worst navigation ever. When I will pick up from the school, I'll just say, I'm behind the trees.
No, because the school has no trees. Gay.
Gay. Oh, nice. We got it.
So, Dejan, how is it working with our two missions? We had two missions. One, to buy a fucking screwdriver for my phone.
They don't have.
And the second,
to buy this. They don't have.
okay, let's go. After searching like
3 hours.
yeah, 3 hours later.
3 hours later.
3 hours for just two little things. We found nothing. Just
Now
this
we
one
got the stick.
Okay, so now we go to MediaMarkt and we hope that we can find their stuff to buy, like a screwdriver.
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 Different things, and yeah, he's doing dumb things as always. And what the fuck are you doing? Oh, good job. Break it before I can use it. I'm gonna hit you, okay? So, guys.
No. We don't have to. Go fuck yourself.
And then we were like, okay, and have you at least
A screwdriver. Screwdriver.
screwdriver?
Screwdriver.
We were like wasting almost 2 hours by just searching for 2 things. We only have this stick for my school project. Guys, welcome to the part, well, the stupid part from the vlog. There they are, and I'm here with the longboard. Hey, stupid one. Oh, go! Nah. Check this out. Over there's the car, and I'm trying to follow the car for whatever reason. I come for you, déjà vu. Right now, I'm faster. Well, never mind. He's faster. Drive!
Sherman?
Yes. Drive! Come on, get video aufnehmen while driving with the longboard.
And your mom behind.
And my mom behind me. Here we are again. Hey bro. Hey mom.
Okay, I can't. I can't this part. Not yet.
There's nothing that 100 more could ever do. There's the rain down in Africa. And there's the time to do the things we never had.
Copyrights.